We're driving slow through the snow on Fifth Avenue. And right now, radio's on and we can hear. Man, we ain't talked since we left, it's so overdue. It's cold outside, but between us